Hello everyone, welcome back to Have Fun with Shapes with Susan. Today we're gonna make a kind of food that a rabbit likes to eat. What is it? Carrot. Let's get started.
Munch, munch, munch. What's this?
This is a carrot.
Oh, I'm a little rabbit. I'm gonna eat the carrot, but now it has no color. What shall we do? Yes, we're gonna use the stickers. We have 1, 2, 3 big circles, and 1, 2, 3 green semicircles. Now let's get started. Step 1, we're gonna put the small circle right here. The second circle, the third orange circle. 1, 2, 3. Now we have the carrot. A small semicircle. It's a green semicircle. We're gonna put it right here as the leaf. 2 leaves. 3 leaves. Yum, yum, carrot.
Look, this is our carrot. It looks so pretty, so yummy. I want to eat it. And a rabbit likes to eat a carrot too. What color is it? It's orange. Do you like the carrot? Carrot, carrot. Bye.